Okay, so here is Big Ideas homework number 6. I have it up there already. And it says it wants us to find the circumference. Find the circumference. I just put a C for circumference. Okay, so that means we want to find this whole, around the whole circle, how much it measures to. But we're given this arc length here. So we're going to use arc lengths. Again, your test is more straightforward than this. So your test is very much like example number 4. Okay, so we know that the measure of an arc length is the arc length equals your degrees here. So your part of your circle, 76 over 360 times 2 pi. We don't have a radius here, r. So to find circumference, your formula is just 2 pi r. We don't have the radius, so that's what we need to find. So I have my arc length here. It gave me 7.5. I'm going to plug that in. So now my object is to get r alone. I'm going to do this. You can just divide this whole thing by 2 pi 76 over 360. I will break it up one step at a time. So I want to get rid of the 76 over 360, so I'm going to divide this by 76 over 360. These cancel out. Don't freak out with this double fraction thing. Stick this in your calculator or go to Desmos.com and do this, and it will help you out. Divide this by 76 over 360. Now, when I put this in my calculator, if you're doing this on your phone, you should do something that looks like this. 7.5 divided by 76 divided by 360. Okay, so it should look like something like that in your calculator. You want the 76 divided by 360 in parentheses, or else it's going to do it wrong. Okay, so I got a decimal here of, I'm going to write it over here, 35.5263 equals 2 pi r. Okay, so now I want to get r alone. I can divide this by 2 pi. Divide this side by 2 pi. Okay, so I divide that by 2 pi. And that is going to be, oh, and again, when you divide by 2 pi, you need to put parentheses around your 2 and your pi, or else it's going to do it wrong. So that's what I would do. Okay, these cancel out, and I get r equals 5.654. Okay, I have r now. So what I can do is just stick it into this formula for my circumference. Now for number 7, it just wants you to find the radius. So for number 7, once you get here, you're done. But for number 6, we need to go one more step. So here I have c equals 2 pi times 5.654. Okay, so now we times this by 2 pi. We just divided by 2 pi. So this would actually be your answer here. So your circumference should equal 35.53. And that would be your answer. 35.53. I know this one's a little different to do because each problem is asking for a different thing, but this is how you would do it.